Bazzite-44, build 44.20260429, is here, and Universal Blue is calling it the big one because it finally moves the gaming distro fully onto Fedora 44 frameworks. Desktops get it first. Handheld/deck builds are deliberately paused while developers validate stability. What's new under the hood? Desktops rebuilt. GNOME jumps to 50 with fractional scaling and XWayland native scaling on by default, fixing blurry multi-monitor text. KDE lands at Plasma 6.6 with a refreshed login manager that actually respects your wallpaper, plus a switch from Ptyxis back to Konsole with built-in container support. New kernel plus graphics. OGC Kernel 6.19 X, June 19th, 11 in this release, brings tighter CPU scheduling for frame pacing, while Mesa 2.6.0.5 improves Vulkan and fixes OpenGL stutter. Valve's VRAM patches are queued for the upcoming Kernel 7.0, leaner by 1 GB plus. QEMU and ROCm are moved out of the base image into the separate bazzite-dx repo. Sunshine is no longer pre-installed. Install via you just if you stream. The result is faster updates and less background CPU use. Hardware wins. Native Elgato 4K capture card support out of the box. No custom driver compile needed. Asus Linux patches add LED customization and BIOS controls. Security grown up. ISOs are now signed. Builds generate SPOMs, and OpenSSF scanning runs automatically for verifiable supply chain attestations. How to upgrade? Don't just RPM Austri rebase. Run the rollback helper first.